we make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. Are you preparing for the upcoming MAT 2023-24 and looking for the expert guidance to crack it within 90 days? Look no further. Learn to Lead Academy is thrilled to present a national level free online webinar just for you. Mark your calendars for September 15 at 9 p.m. because this event is a game changer for your MAT preparation journey. Here's what you can expect. Discover the most effective strategies and insider tips from seasoned MAT experts that can help you conquer the exam in just 90 days. Learn about tried and true methods that have helped numerous students achieve their dream scorers in the MAT. Engage in interactive sessions with our expert panel where you can ask questions, seek clarification, and gain valuable insights. Connect with aspirants from across the country, fostering a sense of community and shared learning. Get recommendations on the best study materials, resources, and time management techniques to optimize your preparation. Understand the importance of tailoring your study plan to your strengths and weakness, ensuring a personalized approach for success. Don't miss this golden opportunity to boost your MAT 2023-24 preparation. Whether you are a first-time test taker or aiming to improve your score, this webinar has something valuable for everyone. To enroll this webinar, kindly enroll through the link provided in the description box, or you can also contact 8870046080 for your direct enrollment. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. Congratulations to Satvika, Keshavan, Jeevithan and Manish Kumar, the toppers of MAT 2023 at Learn to Lead Academy. Satvika J achieved an impressive score of 766, followed by Keshavan M with 642, Jeevithan R with 640 and Manish Kumar with 638. Are you aiming to excel in MAT 2023-24? Enroll now for our online crash course designed to boost your preparation and maximize your chances of success. Don't miss out on the opportunity to join our September, December, Feb or May MAT 2024 batches. Start your journey towards achieving your dream score today. Enroll through the link provided in the description box, or you can contact directly 8870046080. Book your slot now.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.